With PartMaker 2018, support has been added for programming parts using machine tool laser cutting heads. Laser machining provides the ability to cut and engrave intricate detail on a component, which would otherwise not be possible using conventional machining techniques. So as you can see, I've loaded in my model, and we have a variety of pre-programmed features, including a laser machining feature. The first thing you need to do to set up your laser machining head is to create a new tool. To do this, I'll go into Toolminder and then Tools. If you navigate to the Type drop-down, you'll see that there's a new type, Laser. If I select on the tool that I've already created, you can see the parameters that are associated with this type of tool. The next step in creating your laser is to enter into laser data. Here you can create a variety of different profiles for different materials and different material thicknesses. In this case, I've created a profile for aluminium and specified a cutting thickness of 1.5 mm. You can also choose whether you have a continuous wave or whether your laser is pulsing, as well as various parameters associated with your assist gas. Once you're happy with your laser data, you can exit the form and return back to your model. Now that you've created your tool, the next thing to do is to create a laser contour group. To do this, you'll need to create an appropriate setup. In this case, I've chosen mil cylinder, but you can also have mil XY and ZY, mil end polar, mil cylinder, and mil 5-axis. Once you have the required setup, enter into the relevant setup and head to the new profile group icon. Within this, you'll want to change the strategy from contour mill to contour laser. At this point, you fill out the relevant details and choose a diameter of the laser itself. Then head to Select Tools and choose the laser we've already created. This profile group has already been pre-created, so at this point I'm just going to press Cancel. What you'll want to do is trace your geometry. As you can see, I've traced a series of small squares which represent the small square holes around the perimeter of my needle component. At this point, I can generate my process table. I can enter into my laser just by double clicking. And this is where you choose your laser data from this drop down menu here. And as you can see, our pre-created laser data entry is available for selection. Once selected, pressing OK will update the feed and speed entries, as well as the estimated time for completion. At this point, I can view a simulation and choose to view my finished component. As you can see, if I zoom into the required area, that I've been able to machine these small square cutout features using my laser. I would not have been able to cut these features using conventional milling techniques due to the square shape of each small cutout.